This short video attempts to give you a high-level overview of what AccountingBi does and how you get started. So, what are the steps to get started? You need to connect AccountingBi to your chosen accounting software. You then go and sync those organisations that you've connected in your accounting software with the relevant reports in the AccountingBi system. The AccountingBi system then behaves as a database between your accounting system and your Excel spreadsheet or PowerBi report. You then use this database to start structuring the data before it hits Excel or PowerBi. This could include calling previous periods, changing the date range of your profit and loss statement, structuring your chart of accounts with different header categories or organisation structures, and even using tracking codes from Xero or Zoho books. After structuring your data, you then go to Power Query within either Excel or PowerBi to start connecting your reports. Once you've connected your reports, you can either continue building them yourself, use some of our templates, or speak to one of our experts.